Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. So I stumbled upon these stunning beige cheesecloth table runners by SRIZIAN, and I just had to share them with you. They will add a touch of elegance and uniqueness to any event. The unique wrinkle texture and the 10-foot length make them perfect for covering almost two tables. It's made out of soft and smooth polyester material that's high quality and very durable. So whether you're hosting a fancy soiree or a cozy gathering at home, these table runners are sure to impress. Plus, they come in a variety of beautiful colors, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. You can buy one, get a set of 6 or 10, and trust me, you'll love them. So, if you're on a budget but still want to add a touch of elegance to your next event, check out this awesome deal on table runners. You won't regret it. But that's just my point of view.